In Kotlin, there are two ways to compare two values. One is double equal operator and second is triple equal operator. Although they both are used to compare two values, but they work differently and useful in the different scenarios. So hi everyone, this is Puneet Grover. Welcome to Coding with Puneet. So today we will understand what's the difference between double equal and triple equal operator and where it is being used. So first thing first, what is double equal operator? Double equal operator is used to compare the objects' values. That means it checks if the values of two objects are same or not. On the other hand, if we talk about the triple equal operator, it checks the reference of the two objects are referring to the same memory or not in the heap. So this is the difference. Let's look into the example to understand it more better. So this is the example. Here we have taken three strings, string 1, string 2 and string 3. String 1, string 2 have the same values and string 3 is referring to the string 1 object. Now if we apply double equal operator for string 1 and string 2, it will return true. Same goes for if we apply double equal operator for string 1 and string 3, it will also return true because this is the same value. And double equal, we all know that checks for the equality of the objects. However, if we apply triple equal for string 1 and string 2, it will return false because it is checking for the reference and these two objects are completely new objects in referring to different memory locations. But if we apply triple 3 operator for string 1 and string 3, it will return true because string 3 is referring to the same object as the string 1. So to summarize, double equal operator is used to check the quality of the objects and triple equal is used to check the reference of the two objects. So thank you so much everyone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. There are so many amazing videos planned in the future. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.